Good morning, children. Welcome to Blue Stars High Secondary School. So this is your English vocabulary session for Standard 8. Okay, so and today's topic is British English versus American English. So you have learnt English language right from your lower classes, right? So what is this British English and American English? So though both are English, American English differs from British English in spelling, okay, pronunciation, and vocabulary. So British English and American English differ in spelling, pronunciation, and vocabulary. Okay, so we have certain rules how to identify this British and American English. The first one is CE to SE type. Okay, so the spellings which end up with CE are converted to SE in American English. So this side we are going to see British and this side we are going to see American. Okay, so for example, we have license. What is the spelling of license? LICEN. SE or CE? CE. Okay, CE in British. In American, the same can be written as LICENSE. So we Indians follow some words in British English and some words in American English. Okay, so generally most words follow British English for Indians. And offense. What is the spelling for offense? OFFENCE, offense. Wherein in American English the same is written as OFFENSE. Okay, yes. So here this is the first type, which is CE to SE type. Okay, and now the second type is SE to ZE type. The first one we saw CE to SE type. Okay, CE to SE type. The second one is SE to ZE type. Okay, the first word you can see organize. Organize is in British English and the same is written in American English as organize. So here SE to ZE. Okay, the same thing, realize. Okay, SE in British English and the same realize is written as ZE. You would have seen this both spellings in your books. You would have confused which is the correct word, which is the correct spelling to use. So both these are correct. The only difference is this is British English and this is American English. Okay, and the third type. Now the third type is OUR to OR type. OUR to OR type. For example, we can say color, COLOUR. This is the spelling for British, and for American they use COLOR. So this OUR is changed as OR in American English. Understood? And we have some other words, which is vapor. You know vapor, right? So OUR is again converted into OR. So this is another type. The third type is OUR to OR. Okay, and the fourth type. What is the fourth type? It is RE to ER type. This is a general type we have seen, which is center. Some places we used to write as RE and some places we used to write as ER. Correct? Yes. So you can see this RE to ER type. So this is British English and this is American English. And this next one is liter. L-I-T-R-E, litter in British English, and L-I-T-E-R, litter in American English. So this type is R-E to E-R type. And the fifth one is L missing. When the particular word in British English, it has two L. Okay, in American English, one L will be missed out. For example, cancelled. So we used to write as cancelled with double L in British English, and the same can be written as cancelled with one L in American English. Okay, and travelled, again with double L, and the same can be written as travelled. Is this correct? Is double L? No, we have to cancel this L, isn't it? So only one L is allowed. We should not write this 2L. Okay, so in British English we can write with double L, and in American English we can use only one L. This is the fifth rule. Okay, and the sixth rule is some words. The previous rule we have cancelled one L. Okay, there are some words which use double L in American English. Okay, so you can see enroll. In British English it is enroll only with one L, wherein in American English it is double L. Similarly, skillful with only one L, wherein in American English we have and double L in American English. Understood? So here some letters will take double L, wherein some letters we have to remove the L. Okay, and the next type, seventh type is GUE to OG form. What is this? GUE to OG forms. Okay, so GUE to OG forms. The first one is catalog. So this is the spelling in British English, and in American English we use the same as. Tell me what we have to write. This GUE should be replaced by what? OG, correct? So LOG, that's all. Catalog. And similarly dialogue. So again this GUE should be replaced by OG, dialogue. Okay, yes. And similarly we have several words which use this type of rules. The next rule is PH to F. Normally we pronounce this PH as F only, isn't it? But this, when writing we use the letters P and H to represent the some words, and the same can be replaced by F in American English. For example, here sulfur. Okay, so this PH takes a sound F, sulfur. But in American English we can write as FUR. Understood? So this PH is replaced by F. Yes. And the next rule is rule number 9. Your rule number 9 is A missing. Okay, A missing. So what is this A missing means? Anesthetic. ANAESTHETIC in British English. The same when you just go for American English, we have to just remove this A. So how we will remove this A? A-N-E-S-T-H-E-T-I-C. So without that A, we have to write this anesthetic. Okay, similarly, archaeology. What is this? Archaeology. You can see A-R-C-H. Now we have to write the A or not? No, we should not write the A here. Archaeology. That is the American English spelling. Okay, similarly we have some other missings also. The first one we saw was A missing, and now it is E missing. Okay, what is this? E missing. You can see axe, and in American English it should be only axe without this E. So this E should not come here. Understood? Similarly, you have judgment. Okay, so how we have to write this? J-U-D-G-M-E-N-T without the E. So this is your E missing rule. Next one is O missing. Okay, what is this? O missing. Here you can see mustache. What is this mustache? Your daddy will be having it right above the mouth and below their nose. Yeah, mustache you have. So here you have this O, wherein in American English we should not use this O. Okay, so you have to write like this, mustache. And then diarrhea. Diarrhea. Okay, this one you have to write as D-I-A-R-R-H-E-A. That's all in American English, and this one in British English. Next one is yes missing. What is this yes missing? You can see max. We generally say as max in British English, right? But in American English we say only as math without this S. Okay, next is towards. This will be toward. Okay, so this yes should not come. Here yes should not come. Okay, so this is the difference between American English and British English. Just read all these rules, and we have given a list of words in your classwork notebook, and you can just write down the classwork notebooks and send it to us. Thank you, children.